In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make 2.6 million naira investing just 5,000 naira by starting in 2024. Note, this is not a gamble, this is not a scam. You will not put the 5,000 naira once and expect 2.6 million. And in this video, I'll tell you exactly how it works. But first, make sure that you are using a registered and licensed broker dealer. A few examples include Yocha, AfroInvestor, Bamboo. All you have to do is this. 1. Invest 5,000 naira every single month from your income, from your salary, and invest this money in the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is an ETF that tracks the 500 largest companies in the US. Companies like Tesla, Nvidia, Microsoft. It's the safest way to invest money in the world. It tracks and gives you around 8 to 12% in interest every single year on average, and has done this for the last 40 years. All you have to do is simple. Invest 5,000 naira every single month for the next 18 years, and at the end of the 18 years, you would have 2.6 million naira invested. Note, you would only have added 1.8 thousand naira in capital, with the rest coming in interest. This could be your nest egg for retirement. This could be for your children's educational fund. This could be for your land development. This could be for whatever you want to use it for. This is a simple way for you to start now and then make some money in the future. It is very simple to start, and if you want to invest more, you can invest more, which would allow you to make even more profits at the end of the year. This is simply what I'm telling you. With 5,000 invested at 9% interest rate per year for 18 years, and 5,000 invested monthly, right? You would get what? 2.6 million naira with 1.5 million naira in interest and just an initial balance of 5,000 naira. Additional deposit will be what? 1,080,000 naira. Is that not wonderful? This is the breakdown of it. You can simply do this yourself and get the same results. So, will you be implementing this? Did you find it valuable? Talk to us. We'll be checking it out. This is your money guy.